On January 10, 2025, it was reported that Greece's HYDRA frigate has quietly set sail for the Red Sea, marking its fourth mission as part of the European Union-led Operation ASPIDES. This operation is designed to protect vital maritime trade routes from terrorist threats, particularly those posed by Yemen's Houthi rebels. Unlike previous missions, the departure of the HYDRA from the Salamis naval base was understated, with no formal ceremony or announcements. The usual send-off by the Chief of the Hellenic Navy General Staff, Vice Admiral Dimitrios Eleftherios Kataras, was notably absent. This mission comes nearly a year after the HYDRA's last deployment, but with a significant upgrade. The frigate is now equipped with the KENTAVROS anti-drone system, a domestically developed technology aimed at countering the rising threat of drone attacks. This system was first installed on the Sara and Spetsai frigates and is now part of the HYDRA's defense capabilities, following lessons learned from previous close calls with kamikaze drones during earlier missions. However, the HYDRA's deployment highlights ongoing challenges for the Hellenic Navy, particularly the need to modernize its aging fleet of MEKO-class frigates. At 33 years old, the HYDRA still operates with outdated electronics from the 1980s, a problem that has hindered the frigate's ability to cope with modern naval threats. Although earlier plans to upgrade the MEKO-class ships were shelved in favor of acquiring the more advanced FDI-Belhera frigates, escalating costs and emerging security concerns have forced a reassessment of the modernization program. Recent reports suggest a scaled-back upgrade plan, reducing the cost by 60%, with the total expense capped at €100 million per ship, or €400 million for the entire fleet. These upgrades will focus on enhancing the frigate's defense systems, including the installation of the KENTAVROS anti-drone system and upgraded radar for better threat detection. While these improvements will extend the life of the MEKO-class ships by 10 to 12 years, they will not fully restore them to the cutting edge of naval technology. Meanwhile, the newly acquired FDI-Belhera frigates will take on primary roles in the Hellenic Navy's operations, with the MEKO-class ships assuming secondary responsibilities. The HYDRA's latest mission reflects the ongoing efforts by Greece to adapt to modern naval challenges while working within financial constraints.